What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video. And in this video, this is going to be a very straightforward, simple video. This is going over my trusted signal settings on the 45-minute chart, okay? And this is for gold, okay? The reason being is because a lot of you guys were dropping comments, all right? You guys noticed that I predicted not only this big sell here, but also the buyback up on the Fibonacci levels to this trend line. All right, if you want to see that gold trade strategy, which is very profitable, okay, I've made thousands of dollars this week literally from the comfort of my home. And if you want, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. I always post my charts. But guys, join the free Discord. This is my trusted signal settings, okay? A lot of you guys have been asking for my settings, and these are my settings. So here we go. Right now, I'm currently on V1, okay, which is version 1 of Trusted Signals. Now, version 1 of Trusted Signals has been very profitable for me. So I'm a creature of habit. Once I find something that I like, I don't necessarily change it, all right? I do, however, have other stocks and things that I do look at with V2, and I will make future videos on that. But also too, guys, make sure that you comment in the description or below what you want to see from me, okay guys? What do you want me to give you analysis on? Do you guys want me to give you guys weekly analysis, right? My channel is really not mainly supposed to be about trading, okay? I do not want to just be known for trading, so that's why I have a lot of videos coming out. But I know that you guys are really finding my videos helpful, so I'm trying my best to make a video a day, okay guys? Now, as you guys can see here, reactivity, okay, is at a 3, depth is at a 3, trend length is at a default 4.5. All right, now ADX right now, I do not have that on. I used to use ADX very heavily, and as you guys can see here, once you put on ADX filter, it removes some of the buys and sells. So that's something to go ahead and look at, but definitely look at the ADX filter on the higher time frames because it's much more profitable than the lower time frames if you have a question about that. And if I would have gone ahead and I used this, guess what? It would have just been straight sell, buy, sell. So it would have been very profitable. I'll turn that off for now. And as you guys can see here, boom, we have these signals that pop up, and that's because the ADX filter is an average direction of movement filter, and it's only going to try to find you those big long moves that we like as traders. So I do have EMA clouds on, and that's just going to show you the strength of the market, right? Red means sell, blue means buy, right? So when we see a reversal come at one of our key areas, boom, we're entering, right? So I usually have that on. I also have swing points usually on as well, right? Because swing points is going to give you the ability to find out where those high highs are. And as you guys know, I got in on here and gold made a higher high for the time being, right? In this market, because we were ranging, we made a higher high, and then now we started making lower highs. And once we made this lower low, right, we couldn't break over this higher high. Therefore, the trend is a valid downtrend, okay? Because we're not getting higher than this area. So that was one of the key factors that made me make this trend, right? And then I use the Fibonacci. I do not use auto Fibonacci that much in Trusted Signals, which it does actually give you auto Fibonacci. And I'll show you that right now. Let's go ahead and remove this Fibonacci first. Boom. And then also to support and resistance, because I am a support and resistance trader. Price action will tell you everything you need to know. Now, auto Fibonacci level, you can change your levels like this. I left them as default, and what I do is I press OK, boom, save it. And as you can see here, they're making Fibonacci levels. What I like about this with Trusted Signals, it'll automatically light these up red in a downtrend, or they would be blue if it was going in an uptrend. So that is very powerful as well, because you can see that we're currently in a downtrend. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just bounce back here to show you guys my ideas and how I take my trades. Okay, I rarely take trades in the middle of the Fibonacci levels, even though you can, right? Because Fibonacci is a very respected levels, right? But I'm very patient, and that's the reason why I'm very profitable compared to other traders trading 24/7, because I do not take trades every single day, because I am waiting for the charts to just come to me, right? So as you guys can see here, we're at a support level, right? And we are at a great level on the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci is lighting up blue here and it's red here. So this was another key thing that I mentioned in my past video. This is why you need to watch my last two videos. If you want to become profitable, watch my last two videos, and it's literally like a slap in the face, because the markets are very easy and predictable once you have studied them for so long. So guess what, guys? We are right now currently at a support level. We are coming out of a sell, right? And what I'm expecting is still a downtrend. So if I really wanted to be more patient, I will wait for the market to come back up to my areas on my fib, right? And as you guys see this orange trend line, this trend line was made a week ago, but it's still becoming valid. As you guys can see here, we got a huge rejection off of the Fibonacci level, off of a resistance level, off of the trend line, and we had a sell signal come in and a bearish divergence come in. So we knew at this moment, boom, we're down. Now we're actually over, boom, we're oversold at the moment, and we're oversold at what? So at a support area, that's one confirmation. We're at a Fibonacci level, that is another confirmation, and we're overbought on the divergence. So that is three confirmations to beautifully hop into a buy right now. Write it up to one of these key areas, because remember, we're taking profits at key levels on the Fibonacci, and we are also hoping that it respects this rejection to then get in for another sell, right? Where the market can go, that determines, let me go ahead and turn this off, right? That determines on what happened in the past. So as you can see here on the Fibonacci level right here, you know, we can actually see gold fall to this area right here, because when we have a huge rejection here, boom, it's coming up. Now it's making its way back up to retest this area. So gold can retest 1681. Okay, now what's crazy is that a lot of times people think gold can't go any lower, gold can't go any higher. But guys, the markets can do whatever the hell the markets want to do. It doesn't even need to do what I'm telling you it's going to do now. But after looking at this and calling this big sellout, and then getting in on the buy, and then I'm making another video on this sell, guys, my charts have been hitting, and it's because I've been watching gold all week. And you know, when you have all these beautiful tools, right, free trading view tools plus paid indicators like trusted signals, it's gonna give you the sweet spots in the key areas, right? So I wrote it down here. Guess what? My take profit levels when I made this the first time, right? And this is not me changing anything around. I called this out, guys. Like, this is beautiful, and I love to see it. I love when the market does exactly what you thought it's gonna do. You know, maybe I could have made more money, right? I could have hedged the whole house, right? But I also use proper risk management, and I'm only trying to grow my account 5%, 10% a day. You know, luckily sometimes I do 50%. I do double up accounts, especially smaller accounts, because I'm more risky, right? But boom, guys, we're going to see a rejection from this Fibonacci level right here. We're going to bounce back up, and then we're going to find an area to get in for another sell, and hopefully get all the way back down to 1688, which is a previous low. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I promise to make more, and this is a settings video for Trusted Signals and learning how to master the markets. If you like these videos, make sure that you hit that like button, that sub button, all right, because your boy is pumping out some gems right now, boy. All right, guys, until the next video, I am out. Peace. All right, also drop in the comment sections below what you want to see in my future videos, okay? It doesn't necessarily need to be trading. Do you guys need help with credit? Do you guys need help building out a drop shipping store? Do you guys need help anything financial, anything? Just like, bro, I'm your friend, I am your savior, I am your mentor, I am your motivator, all right? I want to open up a church, a money church, and just preach all day. You guys can get this too. Let's be successful. Let's get this money together. Hit me up in the next video. Peace.